when you want to wash or discharge product, you would have product inside, and with the lift kit it would be raised up, and then you can start turning it to jog, and product will discharge out into the meat truck. And that's how you would empty it. This is a drain plug, so when you're washing the machine, the liquid will come out. So you would unscrew the drain plug. And from here you would put in your cleaning supplies. You can put the cover on, let it rotate to clean, and then rinse it again, and the liquid will drain out the drain plug. So that's how you unload, and you can wash it at the same time.